Next problem is find the square root of x square minus 8x plus 15 in one bracket, 2x square minus 11x plus 5 in another bracket, and 2x square minus 7x plus 3 in third bracket. We want to find the square root of this term. Now see, there are three polynomials in multiplied form. So what we have to do is we have to factorize each one of them. We will factorize the first term first. X square minus 8x plus 15 equal to what? We need to find two numbers whose product is 15 and sum is minus 8. Okay, so 15 you can divide it into 15. We will write it in short manner now. 15, two numbers whose sum is 8. So I can write it here, 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. 5 plus 3 is 8, and as there is minus sign here, minus will be given to both the terms. So it will become x square minus 5x minus 3x plus 15. Okay, equal to, make group of two numbers. From first group we take x common, there will be x minus 5 in bracket, minus from this we will take 3 common, there will be x minus 5 in bracket. That is equal to x minus 5 in one bracket, x minus 3 in another bracket. This is our distribution of first polynomial, factorization of first polynomial. Now we will do the factorization of second polynomial, that is 2x square minus 11x plus 5 equal to, now see, here there is coefficient of 2. So while writing number I will check the product of these two. Okay, so product 2 5s are 10. I need to find two numbers whose product is 10 and sum is 11. And again it is simple, 10 ones are 10 I can write. So it will become 2x square minus 10x minus 1x plus 5. As sum is plus, both minus minus. Again group of two numbers. From first group 2x can be taken as common. It will remain x minus 5. Minus in this group I can take 1 as a common. Then x minus 5 will be in the another bracket. So it will be x minus 5 in one bracket and 2x minus 1 in another bracket. Okay. Now third term I will write here, 2x square minus 7x plus 3. That will be equal to what? Now I need to find product of two numbers should be 2 into 3, 6, and sum should be minus 7. Again the numbers will be 6 ones are 6, sum is 7 and product is 6. Okay, so how to write them? It can become 2x square minus 6x minus 1x plus 3. Make group of two numbers. You can write, you can take 2x common, here there will be x minus 3, minus 1 common, here it will be x minus 3. So your answer will be x minus 3 in one bracket and 2x minus 1 is in another bracket. Now we got all the three polynomial in factorized form. Now I will write them in proper manner. So in proper manner means in the form of factors. So the first answer I will get, x square minus 8x plus 15 will be equal to x minus 5 into x minus 3. Okay. Second term, 2x square minus 11x plus 5, that is equal to x minus 5 in one bracket, 2x minus 1 in another bracket. And third term, 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to x minus 3 in first bracket and 2x minus 1 in another bracket. Okay, now I want to find product of these three polynomials, square root of product of these three polynomials. Therefore x square minus 8x plus 5 multiplied by 2x square minus 11x plus 5 multiplied by 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to x minus 5, x minus 3, x minus 5, 2x minus 1 x minus 3, 2x minus 1. Okay, and if I want to take the square root of this term, then it will be equal to the square root of this term. Okay, now we will take one common from two terms. Okay, so the answer will be x minus 5, x minus 3 and 2x minus 1. Okay, so this is how to find square root of given polynomial.